Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix cannot connect to the Steam network. Quick fix. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Click on this button, reset now, one click. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set another networking components back to their original settings. Click on reset now and confirm on yes. Close this new window, the restart in 5 minutes. Click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and click on power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and device on this network? We recommend allowing this on your home on work networks, but not public ones. Click on no. And you can try open up your Steam launcher or run any game. And this is all, your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.